everyone. Today I'm going to do a puppet show on save trees. Hello girl, how are you? I am not feeling well. What happened? I have to cut you down. Don't cut me down. I give you food, fruits, oxygen to live. There is so much of pollution. I can't bear it. If you won't cut me down and you grow more trees, there won't be any more pollution left in Earth. Really? Yes. And you can live happily. Okay, trees. I won't cut you down. So friends, we should not cut down trees. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I am gonna tell you about trees. Trees are our best friends. Trees gives us fruits, medicines, wood, gum, rubber, etc. Trees provide us shade and protection. Trees gives us oxygen. Trees attract rain clouds. Tree keeps the environment good. Trees are green.
My name is Praveen. I am from 4th Tulip. I am showing about puppet show. A man is going to the forest and thinking like this. Man, I should cut the trees and sell the logs to feed my family. He went to the tree and he is going to cut the tree. While he is cutting the tree said, "Hey man, don't cut me. Why are you cutting me?"
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Avrajit Das from 4th Tulip. Today I want to present a puppet show about save trees or nature. Why are you crying, my dear friend? Oh, my friend, I'm getting destroyed. Destroyed? By whom? By human. Yes, the humans are cutting all the trees.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful forest where all the animals, birds, and other species lived happily. One day, a woodcutter has come to the forest to cut the trees. Seeing this, all the animals have frightened and had a meeting to stop this disaster.
They have got an idea about hanging fruits, flowers all over the trees so that the woodcutter may understand the trees are not only our hope but also provide them many useful things.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am going to tell about my puppet show. My name is K. Jatin from 4th Tulip. We should save trees. We should do not cut the trees. Trees gives us oxygen, fruits, vegetables, and papers and rubbers, like so many things.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sai Deepika. I'm studying in 5th Class. Today I'm going to tell about the plant which I've planted. This is the plant which I've planted, and this plant needs this. It is also a nasty seed. It is used to make Ayurveda medicines and a lot of medicines. So plant. So today I'm going to tell a few lines about my plant, my friend. So let's go. My plant, my
Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to do a puppet show related to Save Trees, Save Nature. This is Ravi and this is Ravi's uncle. Ravi went to his uncle's house. At his uncle's house there was an old tree. His uncle was thinking to cut the tree. When he was going to cut the tree, Ravi came and said, "Uncle, don't cut."
Hello friends and teachers. My name is Drona. I am from 4th row. Today I am going to tell a puppet story about trees. The bad tree and the good tree. Once upon a time there was a big tree who was very proud himself. People come near the tree and enjoy its air, shade and felt relaxed. There was a small tree but huge thorns on it. It looked so ugly. People think this tree should cut down. One evening, the big tree laughed at the small tree. Ha! Ha! You'll be soon cut down for the people. For some time, the small tree thought,
Good morning, my name is K.M. Muthukumar and I am from 5th Central. Today I am going to tell you a puppet show about trees are our best friends. One evening, the Raj went to his friend's home to play. Once he reached there, he notices that his friend's father was doing something in the garden. He inquires him, "Sharma uncle, what are you doing?" "Beta, I am sowing a mango seed." He replied. "What will happen when we sow the seed?" he asked. "Beta, after sowing the seed, if we regularly give water to the seed, then in a few days plant will grow and after a few years it will grow as a tree and it will give lots of mangoes," he explained. "Oh, so we need to wait for that long. Why don't we get mangoes in the market?" Raj said. Sharma uncle was smiling. "Beta, the mangoes which you enjoy eating them the trees which were taken care from the farm by the farmers for many."
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to show you all my puppet show. Once upon a time, there was a boy Rohan. He was a very mischievous boy, always troubling others every day. One day, when he was wandering around his grandparents' village, he saw a little plant. It was planted by his grandfather. He wanted to touch it and make some place for playing. When he was about to touch, he heard a sound, "Wah, wah," but could not see anyone. It was a baby's cry. Again he tried to touch, then the baby plant said, "Don't touch me," Ronha asked.
Hi, is plants important for us? Why?
Yes, plants are very important for maintaining the suitable conditions for the survival of species. They help in maintaining the atmosphere and producing oxygen. Plants in oceans are very important for the survival of the aquatic species that depend on them for food. They help in absorbing harmful gases and keep the environment clean. Thank you.
Professor Flower. I am telling about plants. Plants play a vital role in maintaining the
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Yana. I am studying in 5th Sunflower. Today I am gonna show my puppet show. The title of the puppet show is Save Nature and Save Trees. It is 5 in the evening and everyone is playing happily. But suddenly, someone came and started cutting the trees. Hey Sophie, why are you cutting the trees? Hello Anna. If I cut the trees and sell them, I'll get lots of money. No, you should not cut the trees because they give us shelter, oxygen, fruits, and even medicines. Oh, is it? Yes, not only that, they are.
Hello everyone, my name is Chanu Faria. I am from 5th Sunflower. I am going to show puppet show on Save Trees. Human, how are you? Hey tree, I'm not very good. I'm sad. Why? What happened? Well, the summers are unbearable. The winter is intolerable. There are floods at so many places. Air is filled with pollution. Our world is becoming a difficult place to live. I don't know what to do. Well, I knew it, my friend.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. I am going to do puppet show in importance of trees. This is Harry. This is Tom. Tom, can you tell me what is the importance of trees in our life? Yes, of course, I will tell you. Trees are very important to us. Trees help to prevent soil erosion and floods. They give out oxygen made of earth, clean and cool. Many of our
Good morning. My name is Bhavishya. Today I am going to do a puppet show on Save Trees. Once upon a time in a small village there lived a woodcutter who used to cut trees, sell the wood to earn money. One day when the woodcutter was going to cut a tree, the tree was saying, "No, please don't cut me. I will give you oxygen." The woodcutter replied, "Your oxygen is worthless, but your wood give me a lot of money. We all get a lot of oxygen in the air and your
Good morning, my dear madams, teachers, and my friends. My name is Ishant. I'm studying in 5th Slumpa. Today I'm going to show you all my puppet show of Save Nature. Hey, you all animals, you have to go out of this forest because we need to build our houses over here. Please, can you go out of this forest and find another forest?
How we can leave our forest? You should only take another place. We can't. Why we should leave this beautiful forest? I will call this forest king. Lion. Hey you, why we should leave this forest? Tell me why we should leave.
You have to live because we need to build our houses. How can we live without our houses?
Then how is our house? We need house and we should stay.